Front door replacement Baytown is one of the fastest ways to improve curb appeal, security, and home value in Baytown, TX. Homeowners searching for replacement doors Baytown TX often want a better-looking entrance with stronger materials, better insulation, and modern locking systems. Whether you need front door replacement in Baytown 77520, secure front door installation near John Martin Road Baytown, or wood front door installation near Alexander Drive Baytown TX, local solutions are available for every home style. From classic panels to modern exterior doors near Country Club Drive Baytown, professionally installed entry systems create a cleaner, safer, and more attractive first impression. Patio door replacement Baytown gives homeowners better access to backyards, patios, and outdoor living spaces while improving energy performance. If your current patio entry sticks, leaks air, or has damaged tracks, patio door replacement Baytown 77521 can restore smooth operation and a cleaner appearance. Many residents also request sliding glass door replacement Baytown for homes near Baker Road, with sliding glass door service near Baker Road Baytown offering updated glass packages, stronger frames, and easier gliding performance. French door replacement Baytown is another popular choice for homeowners wanting a wider, more elegant opening with improved ventilation and style. Professional door contractors Baytown help homeowners choose the right products and avoid the fitting issues that often come with poorly installed doors. Residential door contractors in Baytown Chambers County area understand local home styles, local climate concerns, and the importance of proper sealing and alignment. If you are searching for entry door installers near Decker Drive Baytown, affordable replacement doors near San Jacinto Mall Baytown, or replacement doors Baytown TX from a trusted local team, expert installation makes a major difference in durability and day-to-day function. A well-installed door opens smoothly, locks securely, and stands up better to weather and wear. Residential door replacement Baytown includes much more than the front entrance, with many homeowners upgrading interior access points throughout the house. Interior door replacement Baytown improves privacy, noise control, and the overall look of bedrooms, bathrooms, closets, offices, and utility rooms. If you need interior door installers near North Main Street Baytown, experienced crews can match the style and finish of your home. Home door renovation projects often include coordinated interior and exterior updates, making door replacement Baytown a practical way to modernize an entire property with a consistent design. Custom replacement doors Baytown are ideal for homeowners with unique sizing needs, architectural details, or a specific design vision. From custom doors near Goose Creek Baytown TX to double entry doors Baytown for larger homes, tailored solutions provide a precise fit and a polished result. Many customers choose decorative glass, side lights, bold finishes, and upgraded hardware to create a standout entrance. Whether you need double door installation in West Baytown TX or a one-of-a-kind statement entry, custom fabrication and expert installation help your new door function properly while complementing the style of the home. Energy-efficient doors Baytown are a smart investment for reducing drafts, controlling indoor temperatures, and lowering utility costs in the Texas climate. Energy-efficient replacement doors in Baytown Harris County are designed with insulated cores, weather stripping, and quality seals that help keep conditioned air inside. This matters in neighborhoods throughout Baytown, from Garth Road to Cedar Bayou and from Goose Creek to Highlands Baytown TX. Homeowners replacing old exterior doors often notice better comfort, less air leakage, and a quieter interior after installing insulated entry, patio, or storm doors with modern performance features. Fiberglass door replacement Baytown is a leading choice for homeowners wanting durability with low maintenance. Fiberglass entry doors near Cedar Bayou Baytown TX resist dents, moisture, and warping, making them ideal for the Gulf Coast climate. Steel door replacement Baytown is another excellent option for those prioritizing strength and secure door installation, especially for steel security door replacement near Spur 330 Baytown. For homeowners who love timeless beauty, wood door replacement Baytown remains a premium option, adding natural warmth and classic curb appeal. Each material serves a different need, and professional door contractors can recommend the best fit for style, budget, and performance.